Hey, what's up y'all? It's me Party at ngayon samahan niyo naman akong laruin ulit si Granny. At yes, di ba sinabi ko sa last video ko which is nga, ang tagal na may last video was already a month ago. And yes, as we recall, sinabi ko din na laruin natin tong Granny na to ulit. Enabling the different modes. So, ngayon mamimili tayo ng modes na lalaruin natin. Parang gusto ko si Halloween. Halloween siguro. Ay, hindi tayo magpa-practice. Mag-ano lang tayo. Kasi, mag-easy lang tayo kasi magaling tayong tao. Darker, extra lax, limping, music. Ayoko ng limping kasi alam niyo yun, kapag yung times na kunyari nalalaglag ka sa mataas na lugar, di ba may fall damage siya? Magsa-start na siya na mag-ika-ika, yun kasi yung limping eh. So, yun. Tatanggalin natin yung limping kasi ang sakit niya sa ulo. So, let's go. Let's continue this. Let's start this na. Okay. So, yeah. So, how are you guys all? I know it's been a long time since my last upload because, yeah, it's been a very busy month for me, especially in terms of the academics. Apakadami ng responsibilities na naatasan sa akin. And yes, the school works, or rather your school, is one of the most important things that we should prioritize. It is a significant thing that we should always prioritize. So, hindi talaga natin siya, ano ba yan? Talaga natin siya pwedeng, the hell is that? Yan, naglalag. Kita ko ni Granny. So, pag ganito wala naman itong creaking floors, diba? Okay. Ano yun? Ano yun? Saan yung skeleton? Ilan yung skeleton? Diyos ko, mas nakakatakot to ah. Let's see kung anong meron dito. Ay! Ano ba yung tumatawa na yun? Diyos ko, ninenervyos ako. Tigil-tigilan ako niyan ah. Gago. So, wait lang natin siya. Diyos ko. Alam mo, natatakot ako. Like, for real. Hindi ko alam ah. Ba't ko ba pinili ito? Ayun si Granny. So, mabagal-bagal naman siya. So, I think kakayanin ko to. Bye, Granny. Let's see, meron dito. Part of a shotgun. So, okay. So, meron na tayo agad dalawang part ng shotgun. Oh, 2 minutes. That's great. Diyos ko, may skeleton na naman pupunta eh. Lang. Lubutin na natin lahat habang wala pa si Granny. Ay, gago ka. Huy. Uy! Uy! Ah! Mama mo kalbo. Wala ka lang ka lang. Uy, wala sa usapan yan ah. Gagi ka. Nang papatay ba to? Sorry, di ako nagulat. Saan na siya? Wala na siya. Alis na yun siya. Hintay ko si Granny kasi baka mamaya mag-spawn na siya. Pag nag-spawn na siya, tapos naabutan niya tayo dyan, wala na. Hindi tayo umasa. Ay, nagising na siya. Okay, so, she'll probably going down na downstairs. So, kukuling ulit natin siya.
A few inches later.
Diyos ko, ang bagal naman pala magalakad nito. Bye-bye, Granny. Pangit oh, sarap patayin. So, what are the locks? Saan naman yung skeleton na yon? Okay. Para saan tong pot? Gagawin ba tayo dito? Like, can we make poison or something, ganun? Okay, so we got the hammer. So, kulang na lang natin is padlock eh. Pangit tumawa, nakakabanas. Okay. So, pupuntahan naman natin ngayon doon sa may second floor. Okay. Wait lang, baka meron ditong mga gamit-gamit. Wala naman. So, saan kaya nag-spawn si Granny? Para aware lang tayo ba? Hindi naman siya useful. So, I think we shouldn't bother na going there. Cutting flowers. For what reason? Nagagi ka. Ano to? Special key? Pupunta ba tayo doon? Part of shotgun. We could definitely use that. So, is Granny already awake? Oh my God, may daga. May daga siya. Does that indicate where... Ay! Ah! Lagi ko nakakalimutan na may jump scare dito. Dito ka, bitch. Ay! Bastos? Granny! Come here. I'm just gonna, assault you. It's, physical assault. Parky, physically assaults Granny. It's about time. Oh, achievement unlocked. Granny headshot. Oh my god, that's so great. I never knew that I'll getting any achievement by just headshotting Granny. So I'm most likely prepared on going here. Let me just go here and drop it right there. And I'll just go... Oh, yun ang sinasabi ko. So eto, since wala yung limping guys, hindi siya masyadong iika-ika. Which is nice. Ay! Huwag kong simulan ngayon, hindi ako matutuwa. Lang. 2 minutes and 30 seconds pa naman si Granny. So, kaya to. Maximize natin yung oras. Oh! Kanang maki-epal sa buhay ko. Ah! Bastos. Bala. Okay. Kulong na natin si Spider-Man. Ah, Rusty Padlock Key. Sa tingin mo ba makatulong yan? Ay nako. Gigigil ako sa mga skeletons na to ah. Di sila di sila eco-friendly. Masyado silang toxic. Granny, asan ka Granny? Kailangan kitang mabaril now.
Target locked.
Huwag ka na magsalita. I almost forgot this. Okay, handa. A car key or weapon key? Oh yeah, car key. Okay. So since yung mga ibang gumagala, like yung rat or yung skeleton, hindi naman sila much of a threat. We can already cancel them out sa mga threats. Kasi they're not much of a threat. Okay, master key. Yeah, I'm gonna need this. All I need now is padlock key. So, yun na lang ang nag-iisang kulang ko sa buong buhay ko. So, lapag mo yan dyan. Okay. Bye. No more explaining to do. Uy, alis dyan. Lagi ka talagang mahadlang sa mga plano ko sa buhay. Let's grab you. Hmm. Ay, nako. Uy, iPhone key. Car battery. I-ready na natin ang ating mga sarili para sa mga nangyayari. So, I'm really hoping na may something dito na useful. Cogwheel. I don't know. Is that useful enough?
$2,000 later.
Skeleton lang pala yun. Yun, come here, Granny. Another achievement. Frozen Granny. There's nothing useful here. This is the weapon key. Okay, so now we have the weapons. Okay, so now we have crossbows and stuff. And it's not going to be that hard. Oh, I'm always forgetting about that. Need this because I think I need that. Okay. So I'm thinking that Granny isn't awake yet. Yeah, I know I need a safe key, but where do I find it? I don't even have the playhouse key yet. It's just not adding up. So now we know that Granny is alive again. Well, I mean, she just disappeared for a few minutes. Okay, fair enough. So there's nothing in here, right? Here, did I forget something here? No, nothing. All I need is a padlock key. Ah, why you gotta be so annoying? And the master key needs to be right here. So when I'm about to go, I could just go in. Let's do this time. Okay, load it. Need to get a screwdriver and hop right in. Okay, so I think I know what I'm doing right now. I think so. Or should I say I hope so? You're not scaring anyone, bitch. I hope it's the padlock key. Oh, safe key. Perfect. Really what I need. Okay, I think we're here. I think we're right where we needed to be. Okay, let's just hide in case Granny already has consciousness after that tranquilizer. I mean, the effect of that was just 2 minutes, by the way. See? If I hadn't hide, it might have been worse. But it's not that. But it's not like you can't deal with her or something. Okay, you can do this. One last, one last time. Para lang makaalis na tayo for the last time. Okay, there you have it. There you go. Now I'm gonna open this safe right now. Hope that it's something useful. No, what the heck? It's not what I wanted. It's not what. Oh, what the heck? But I guess this could work. I mean, change of plans, I guess. I mean, I already got the rusty padlock key somewhere. Stop. You're so annoying. I mean, I have to find where the rusty padlock key is. Oh, is it the one with the screwdriver? We're already going to win. But, change of plans. Pero kaya to. Biruin mo, naan pa natin si Granny. Tamaan pa natin siya. Alis! Alis, Granny! Hindi ka nakakatuwa. Rusty padlock key, may wooden stick na tayo, tapos binaba ko na rin yung chain cutter. So I'm pretty sure that's all we needed for the sewer escape. Kailangan na lang natin is hindi tayo maano nung spider. Sandry na ma'am. Yan. Ihilera na natin sila dito para hindi tayo mahirapan mamaya. Okay, chain cutter. Then the last one is the rusty padlock key. So, una muna natin tatanggalin is yung rusty padlock key. I thought the spider's Dendrina. Okay, okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, I thought I'm already dead. Oh my god, kapag namatay tayo, hindi to pwede. We can't die. Okay. Quick focus. She's already coming. Okay, eto na yun. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god, unexpected ending. Oh my god, you guys. Ito na yun. Let's go! Yes! Let's go! Nabit natin ang day 1. And unexpected sewer ending pa. I'd say this is the most easiest escape route ever. Because you only need 3 items to access this. Yes, so yun ang ating gameplay ngayon. Yeah guys, just so you know, it's already 3:49 AM here. When the time I'm recording this, i-edit ko pa to, then hopefully ma-upload ko. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. And if you wanted to watch more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, like and share, so you're always updated to my latest updates. So yun lang. Thank you so much mga kaparkis. Bye!